Good morning, social media. Let's go ahead and do a freehand wireless scan of a hot glue gun using both a simple lazy Susan, and then I'll show you how I also use an electric turntable. So let's get started. First, I went ahead and get my scan settings set up. I'm going to go ahead and use the point cloud mode so I don't need to use markers or anything. It's a normal setting, medium, because it's not very big. I'm going to use tracking in geometry mode first. Going to see how that works out. I'm using a nice flat, smooth, no geometry base. So we'll see how that works out. Set my scanning range to 400 millimeters maximum so I'm not overshooting. Let's go ahead and start. Use the start button right here on the scanner itself. Wait till the light turns green so that you know that you're in the right area. Just go ahead and slowly move your hand around, and it shows you what you've scanned. Very straightforward, simple, easy. Tracking works pretty great. Even with my rather unsteady hands here. Just turn it around, get all your angles, make sure all the surfaces turn green on the screen here. All the angles, make sure you hit every surface on there. Hit it from a few different angles to make sure that you catch all your overhangs. Underneath here, under the trigger. You don't always have to keep going the same direction. You can turn the other way. And just walk around it. Oops, lost tracking there. So let's see if we can't pull the tracking. Look at that. Pull the tracking back in very quickly. Gotta make sure you point at the object. Oops. Tracking back. Capture the underside of there. As you can see, you're going to lose tracking every once in a while. It's not a big deal. It picks it right back up pretty quickly. Just go back over those areas that haven't turned green yet. Make sure that it captures everything. Underneath there as fast as possible. Turn it to get a better angle. Capture the glue stick in there. There's the tracking again. My hand-eye coordination isn't awesome, so I apologize. Alright, now that everything is super green, very well scanned, go ahead and back out a little here and hit the play pause button right on the scanner. Down. Not on the lens itself, obviously. Okay, check out what we got here. So, could have done a little bit better underneath here, but I think we'll be able to fix that in any software post scan. Or I could always reorient, get another look at it. Okay, say complete. That's what she looks like. Let's go ahead and just see what the single click process. All right, doing the same scan now. Instead of using the lazy Susan, just place it on your turntable. You notice I've got it scanning very, very slowly. Use the same scanning motions, very slow, smooth. But this just makes it a little more convenient to wait for that edge to come around and it helps with tracking if you've got unsteady hand. Alright, we're coming in on the end of the color mapping. There you go, it just finished up. You get that little beautiful ding. And let's go ahead and see what we were able to pull off of this. So looking at the raw point cloud, you can see not too bad, a little bit of noise, didn't clean anything up. It did the cleanup all by itself, got rid of all the artifacts outside, or for the most part. The mesh came out nice and clean. Get in real tight on that. Picked up the textures, edges. Plenty for building a holster, a stand, battery adapter, whatever you need for it. As you can see, it even filled in the gaps underneath nicely. Cleaned it up. And then we need to apply colors to it in case you want to turn it into a model inside a game or something. There you go. Got yourself a nice 3D model. You can upload as a skin for your video games, whatever have you. Simply export that model. Choose where you want it to go. I'm going to send this out as an OBJ file. I call it GlueGun. And save. Export's not too slow. There you go. Now you open it up in any slicer or CAD program, edit or print it out to your heart's content. Have a good day.